Okay guys, I am jumping into this Clone-A-Toy group build, and I know you guys are probably thinking, I've seen that before, and you have seen that before. I posted this about a year ago, idea I had because so this is the Matchbox K-7 auto transporter from, look at this. This is from 1972, or upside down, it's 2791. But this is not, this was my favorite Matchbox growing up, but this isn't the same one. I lost that one, and I recently, in the last couple of years, I ordered this off the internet. And curiously, this was 10 bucks, and the Deora was 10 bucks at Ollie's. So they cost the same. And so I am going to be making, obviously, look at that. The K7 kind of already looks like the Deora when you look at that option to put that clear cover on there, and I'm looking for it. Oh, it's on there. There it is. You see that? They kind of look alike already. Anyway, close enough. There are definitely differences. There are, 2-axle, 1-axle, no gull wing doors. You could basically, we're just going for the basic gist. We're going to paint it bright yellow, and we are going to try to do the graphics. I believe I'm just going to take high resolution photos and clean them up as best I can in Photoshop. And then instead of putting them on decal paper, I think that what I'm going to do is actually print them out on sticker paper so that they have a raised edge like that, so they look like stickers, because they are. And you can almost, you can imagine it already. That's what I'm going to do there. We're going to paint it bright yellow with those stickers, and then we've got this issue here. We had the AMT issued 2 of these bed covers, one clear and one in amber, right? No, the other one is in blue. So I need an amber one. So I need to make that amber. And this is where I asked the community, how do I make that amber? Anybody got any ideas? That would be great. Because, it has to. That's the whole thing. Ideas are welcome. Just leave them in the comments. But ultimately, I'm just announcing the entry. Now, the Deora is really cool. Did you know? And it doesn't say it anywhere on the box. In the middle of all this stuff that they're talking about here, they don't even mention that the thing has an engine. Yeah, it's got a chassis and an engine, and look at that, rear differential, everything. And look at the tires. Tires are awesome. Let me get in tight there. Look at that. So this is going to be neat. I'm going to start this on Christmas Day. And yes, I am going to start it on Christmas Day. You kind of run out of things to do. And so I'll be wandering out to the shed after present opening and return to the bench. And we will start this on Christmas Day and finish it on Christmas Day probably 5 years from now. Maybe 6. I don't know. No. 5 for sure. We're going to put a rush on it. So anyway, the next update is going to be the final thing. I'm going to start making the videos for the builds all in one video, kind of like Chris, exactly like Chris, the HPI guy does, because I have found that that is the most enjoyable way to watch a build video, is all at once myself. Now, unless it's like really complex and intricate or something new, I would want to do the separate updates in between. But for a basic build like this is definitely going to be a one video thing. So look forward to it. I will actually finish it in the 2-month time span. And the next video, boy, I'm just talking and talking and talking.